there, second grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Today, we are going to be using some coins to go shopping. And who doesn't love to go shopping? We will need our Piggy Bank math mat that will go in our sheet protector for this lesson. So we used this earlier in the year. It's titled Using Pennies, Nickels, and Dimes. And it has 3 big piggy banks on there. So once you find that, place it in your sheet protector, get your marker ready, and you are all set for today's lesson. So let me shrink myself into the corner as we get started. Today we are going to be doing grade 2 lesson 5.2, using coins to buy things. You will need your piggy bank math mat and your sheet protector and of course your marker. Now if you cannot find your piggy bank math mat, then you could probably use your whiteboard. All right, but if you have your piggy bank math mat, that will be the best thing for you to use for today's lesson. So let's start off with a little review of our coins. Now we've learned 4 different coins so far, and we want to review those coins to make sure that you remember the names and how much each one is worth. Our penny is the only copper coin, and it's worth 1 cent. So you might remember the penny, only worth 1 cent. And then we have our nickel. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. So the nickel is worth 5 cents. And then we had our very tiny little coin, our dime. And our dime is worth 10 cents. It's the smallest of all of our coins. And then we have a bigger coin, and it's the quarter, and it's worth 25 cents. It's our biggest coin that we've used so far. So 3 of our coins are silver: the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. And then the penny is a copper color. Now, in order to be really good at coins, when we count our pennies, we have to be good at counting by ones. So I want you to count by ones to yourself as fast as you can, and stop when you get to 10. I'm done. Did you beat me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In order to count our nickels, we have to be really good at counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and then we reach the big number 100. Whew! And then when we want to count our dimes, our smallest coin, we have to be really good at counting by 10s. Let's count by 10s to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then to be able to count our quarters, we have to be good at counting by 25s. And this is different. There's no rhythm to this one like our 5s and our 10s. We have 25, 50, 75, 100. I like to put it to a little song or a little rhythm. 25, 50, 75, 100. Say that, or sing it if you want. 25, 50, 75, 100. 25, 50, 75, 100. And then that repeats. 125, 150, 175, 200. So I'm counting by 25s, and that can help me to make an amount of money very quickly because it's such a big number. All right, so here's what we're going to do with our sheet protector. You may remember earlier in the school year that we would use our piggy banks to make an amount of money different ways. And we would start really easy. So let's start real easy again, just so everybody remembers how to do this. So at the very top, I'm going to write, how many ways can you make 11 cents using coins? Now, we started off by saying there's a really long way to make any amount of money. So we can use all pennies. It's the least fun way to do it, but it is a way. Let's go ahead and use pennies to make 11 cents. In our first piggy bank, let's draw some pennies. Remember, when we draw the penny, we use the letter P. P for penny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we get 11 pennies. So in your first piggy bank, you should have drawn 11 pennies. Now, do you see how long that takes to draw 11 pennies? Imagine if I wanted to find 40 cents. I would not want to draw 40 pennies. Way too long. How about making 11 cents a quicker way? I can do it with 2 coins. Can you? Did you choose the dime and the penny? The dime is worth 10 cents, and the penny is worth 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11 cents. I can make 11 cents using 3 coins. Can anybody think of a way to make 11 cents using 3 coins? One of those coins is a penny. Did you put nickel, nickel, penny, 5, 10, and one more is 11 cents. So we can make a money amount lots of different ways. I have to tell you, if I was carrying 11 cents in my pocket, this is what I would want to carry. It's the most efficient way, the quickest way to get to 11 cents. Awesome job. Let's clear our sheet protector and let's try another one. This time, I want you to show me 3 ways that you could make 20 cents. I want you to hit that pause button. I want you to try to make 20 cents 3 different ways. If you can't make 3 different ways, then try to make 2 different ways. Once you're done, I want you to press play. And we're going to see if we got some of the same answers. All right, go ahead and hit that pause button and make 20 cents 3 different ways. Let's see how you did. I made 20 cents 3 different ways, and I didn't even use a penny. One of my ways was a dime and another dime. 10 plus 10 equals 20. My second way was a dime and 2 nickels. 2 nickels equals 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 10 gives me 20 cents a different way. And my last way was 5, 10, 15, 20. I used 4 nickels. Now, I bet some of you wrote 20 pennies. Wow, you might want to stretch out your hand. That's a lot of writing to do. I always look for the efficient ways to do it. But 20 pennies would be correct. Awesome job. All right, let's go and clear off our sheet protector, because we're now going to go shopping. So let's take a look at where we're going to shop. We're going to be shopping for some produce. Produce means vegetables and fruit. So moms and dads and grandmoms might go and buy a lot of produce in your house. You're going to see that we have the pear, and a pear is worth 13 cents. The oranges are worth 18 cents. Green peppers, 24 cents. Melon slice, I love watermelon, 30 cents. The plum is worth 6 cents. Banana is 9 cents. The apple is 12 cents. The tomato is 20 cents. The onion is 7 cents. The lettuce is 45 cents. The corn is 15 cents. And the cabbage is 40 cents. Now let me show you what we're going to be doing. When we go shopping, I have down here as an example that I bought the orange. And the orange costs 18 cents. And then I paid for the orange 2 different ways. One way and another way. So in my piggy banks, this would be my first way: a dime, a nickel, and 3 pennies. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then another way that I paid for 18 cents: nickel, nickel, penny, 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 penny. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cents. So just like we were practicing on our piggy banks, we can also go shopping and practice making an amount 2 different ways. So let's go shopping again. Let's go and buy, let's buy the apple. So I'm going to be writing down apple just so we remember. We're buying the apple, and the apple is worth 12 cents. I want you to show me on your piggy banks 2 ways that you can make 12 cents. Can you do it? The efficient ways without using all pennies? Go ahead and see if you can make 12 cents 2 different ways in your piggy banks. Go ahead and hit that pause button while you come up with the 2 different ways. When you're done, press play. We'll see if you got it correct. Let's see how you did. All right, so I was able to find 12 cents, and the first way that I did a dime, and then I did a penny, and another penny. 10, 11, 12. 12 cents. And that's a pretty quick way. That's the most efficient way. I also found another way. Nickel, nickel, penny, penny. 5, 10, 11, 12. Now, I'm sure some of you wrote 12 pennies. Penny, 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 penny. And that's okay. But in 2nd grade, we want to try to find the efficient way to do it. So Mr. Enzi took my 2 ways, and I wrote them in my chart. The apple is 12 cents. I could use a dime, penny, penny, or a nickel, nickel, penny, penny, to find it and to buy it. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Oh, this time let's go shopping for the green pepper. The green pepper. Now, the green pepper is worth 24 cents. So I'm just going to write green pep. And it's worth 24 cents. See if you can come up with 24 cents in your piggy banks for the green pepper. See if you can come up with 2 ways to make 24 cents. Go ahead and hit that pause button while you figure this out. And remember, you don't want to be writing 24 pennies. When you're done, press play and we'll see if we got the same ways. Let's see how you made 24 cents. I did it this way. Check. I did dime and dime. That's 20 cents. 10 plus 10 is 20. Penny, 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 penny. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then I did dime, nickel, nickel, because that's 20 cents. 10, 15, 20. Penny, 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 penny. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now there's lots of different ways that you can come up with 24 cents. But these are 2 ways that I put in my chart. Now our last one is we're going to go and shop for 2 different items. So let's take a look. We're going to shop for, some corn and a plum. Now my corn is worth 15 cents. And the plum is worth 6 cents. So here's what we're going to do. Because we're buying 2 items, let's make 15 cents first. See if you could make 15 cents one way. What would you use? I would use a dime and a nickel. How about 6 cents? What would you use to make 6 cents? And remember, we want to use the quick way. I would use a nickel and a penny. 5 and 1 more is 6. Now, how much money do we have in all? How much money did we spend in all? We have to add up all of our coins. 10, 15, 20, 21 cents. Now, I want to make 21 cents a different way. Can you think of a way to make 21 cents using just 3 coins? Because that would be amazing if you could. How could we make 21 cents using 3 coins? I hear some answers out there. Dime is 10. Another dime gives us 20. And a penny gives us 21 cents. And we made it 2 different ways. Awesome job. Today we practiced using our coins to buy things. We reviewed the penny and the nickel and the dime and the quarter. We practiced making money amounts more than one way, and then we went shopping for some produce. You are going to have an activity to complete in Seesaw, where you are going to use some coins to buy things. And I can't wait to see how smart you are.